Hello, this is the TradeSite US Stocks and Futures Market Preview for Tuesday, the 4th January 2022. Hope you had a good trading session. Well, we had a green session because first trade of the year was a futures trade that worked. It's always nice to start the year with a green trade, but it wasn't a very exciting day. We'll look at the intraday action in a minute, but here's the ES front month futures contract. This is the daily chart of the broad market in futures form. As you can see, we're 11 candles up on the daily, so getting close to a 13 sell signal there. Let's go through the major indices. So the S&P cash gained 30.38, most of it late in the day. Nasdaq starts out the year up 181.69. Does have that 13 sell signal in place, and we're off those highs still. So one day does not mean much, especially because most of the world was still on holiday. And we had a light volume day, as you'll see in a minute. So keep in mind that 13 is currently still in place. The SOX closes up 81.05. Not at highs, but close to it. Biotech's up 33 points, basically. Nowhere near highs, obviously. The Russell 2000 up 27.24. Kind of in the middle of the range there. The Dow, we don't really care that much about the Dow, but it's up 246 points and about to break out potentially to highs. It's just 30 stocks, though. Crude oil up 17 cents to 76.25. Gold up $3.90, pretty much middle of the road for the last year or so. Advanced decline ratio in the Nasdaq was plus 1850, so more stocks up than down. But on the New York, it was only plus 510, so nothing spectacular on the New York side. Nasdaq volume only 4.4 billion shares. Again, it's a rebound from last week because last week was basically the holiday week, but we're not back to where the volume was, which is really closer over the 5 billion share range most days in November and December. Trend closes at 0.63, puts the 10-day at 1.01. If I count backwards, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We don't have any real big numbers dropping off here anytime soon, so it's hard to see how we're going to get that 10-day moving average under 0.85, which would be a sell signal on the broad market. The VIX closes down 62 cents to 1660. Apple up $4.44. New closing highs on Apple as it crosses the $3 trillion mark. Amazon up 73.75, still well off the highs. Facebook up $2.19. Google gains $2.79. Goldman Sachs up $12.78. Netflix down $5.07, so not much there, obviously. Peloton down 56 cents, near lows, but that 13 buy signal still holding it in place. TLT, the 20-year bond ETF, down $3.89. Tesla was the big one, blew away earnings, up 143, heading back towards highs. And Zoom gains 35 cents. Let's look at the intraday real quick here. So you got the ES 5-minute candles, and you can see we gapped up a little bit, tried to go higher, dropped back, filled the gap. We were sitting anywhere between where we opened and that gap fill all morning, most of the afternoon, most of the way through lunch, and then kind of drifted back up to the highs, the opening 10-minute highs right at the close. So just a lot of price discovery. Not everybody back yet, and certainly not globally. Nasdaq side, kind of the same pattern. So not much there, but the year starts legitimately on Tuesday now, and we will see what we get in terms of economic data, especially here in the U.S. We have ISM, manufacturing, PMI numbers, JOLTS job openings, and that's about it. So there's not a lot to discuss from that perspective, and we will see what the latter part of the week brings. Charts as usual brought to you by eSignal. If you've not yet taken a trial of our services, feel free to do so. We'll help you out for a couple weeks. Have a great trading Tuesday.